And if you think I can't fuck with whoever, put your money up, put your jewels up, no fucking put your honey up, put your raggedy house up, nigga, or shut your mouth up before I buck lead and make a lot of bloodshed. Turn your tux red, I'm far from broke, got enough bread. And mad hoes, ask Beavis, I get nothing but head.
Longfellow Bones, we about to get into some shit. Big L voice. Look, when I be on the mic, I'm raw. I don't know what a condom like. I don't often wipe, but I be shitting. Underwear brown, but I bought 'em white. Flow vicious, no time for no bitches. Hoes play games, no time for those glitches. Chrome 6s, keep it moving in the expedition. I ain't stressing women, so if they ain't talking sex positions, I ain't messing with them. Hit and quit, never knew the definition of repetition. I ain't into seconds, I'll get the next sex, then ditch 'em. Fuck hoes and fuck presidents, pocket full of Benjamins. You got a bunch of ones in between 50s, try and blend 'em in. I tend to sin, it's a rush from my adrenaline. And when it's you I'm messing with, you'll get your boys and send them in. That's a bitch move, dog, you feminine. I'm a diamond in the rough, you can find me in the cuts with the lime green in the Dutch. Fire up the blunt, ace deuce with a slut that blow me so much that her sinuses are fucked. Shining is a must, I'ma chip off the sunblock. And dudes be acting shady, so I gotta keep my gun cocked. One false move will get your face sprayed like cum shots. Body bag zipped up like a lunchbox. I fuck with a lot, but I trust few. Hold the Mac firm, cause when your back's turned, they won't hesitate to cut you. The same ones that hold your guns will try and kill you. So I'll be fake to a snake, he ain't worth being real to. Before you judging them, make sure that you ain't one of them. My pockets double when I summon them. I tell them empty out they pockets so I'm running them. I got guap, but pickpocketing's a quick buck. I like fat wallets and thin broads with big butts. Can't enjoy your skinny bitch unless you fuck a thick slut. But that bitch don't get fucked unless I get my dick sucked. I'm a dog for that pussy, raw dog in that tushy. And when I finish up, hot dogs when she cooked me. I'm single and my status gon' stay put. I ain't friends with bitches except on Facebook. I'm a straight crook stealing hearts and breaking them. I'm fucking hoes while you dating them. You ain't hit yet cause you a bitch, you relate to them. I'm strolling L's and facing them. Maybe let shorty hit the roach once. She could roll off a dooney, but she ain't rolling no blunts. I got a daily routine, wake and bake blue dream. Shower, get dressed and lace up my shoestrings. Used to have to bum a ride, now I jump in mine. Hit the studio and speak whatever comes to mind. But I don't gotta spit the truth to make jaws drop when I hit the booth. Either way I leave it chewed up when I ain't even bite down. And it's looking like a dog toy, so I'ma put the mic down. Boy. Longfellow Bones. Longfellow Love. Bitch.